Hi guys, you're on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Gmail. I'm going to tell you how to make email unread in Gmail. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open Gmail. Select any read email. Long tab here. And the tab here. Good. Unread. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye. Bye bye.